This is red hand.
Oh, wow!
This is orange hand. And this is yellow hand. And the last, this is green hand. This is orange hand. Look at that. Oh, wild boar is the dangerous animal. This is yellow color. Okay. Oh, nice. Elephant. Elephant is a big animal. Okay, and last hand and red hand. Red color is my favorite color. Okay, I think this is empty.
No!
So don't worry, guys. This is just about funny video and fun. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and video.